Hello, today we learn colors, alphabets and some new words. Dark green color, brown color, pink color, sky blue color, violet color, orange color, peacock green color, red color. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Red color. Peacock green color. B for bat. B for bat. B for bat. B for bat. Sky blue color, violet color. C for candle. C for candle. C for candle. Violet color, pink color. D for doll. D for doll. D for doll. D for doll. Pink color, blue color. E for egg. E for egg. E for egg. E for egg. Blue color, brown color. F for flower. F for flower. F for flower. F for flower, brown color. Orange color. G for guava. G for guava. G for guava, orange color. Dark green color. H for hat. H for hat. H for hat. Dark green color. I for igloo. I for igloo. I for igloo. Igloo. Sky blue color. A for aeroplane. 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 A for aeroplane. Red color. Peacock green color. B for bat. B for bat. B-A-T, bat. Sky blue color. Violet color. C for candle. C-A-N-D-L-E, candle. C for candle. Violet color. Pink color. D for doll. D-O-L-L, doll. D for doll. Pink color. Blue color. E for egg. E-G-G, egg. E-G-G, egg. E for egg. Blue color. Brown color. F for flower. F for flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Brown color. Orange color. G for guava. G-U-A-V-A, guava. G for guava, orange color. Dark green color. H for hat. H A T hat. H for hat, dark green color. Sky blue color. I for igloo. I G L O O. Igloo. I for igloo, sky blue color. So A for aeroplane, D for doll, G for guava, B for bat, E for egg, H for hat, C for candle, F for flower, I for igloo. So A for aeroplane, B for bat, C for candle, D for doll, E for egg, F for flower, G for guava, H for hat, I for igloo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.